जब मैं ये वाला फ्लैट देखने आई थी, मेरे से पहले जो लड़का इस फ्लैट में रहता था, ही फुल्ली टोल्ड मी कि ये छत लीक करती रहती है, ये फ्लैट मत लेना, बिकॉज ही न्यू मी एंड ही सॉ माई कॉन्टेंट व्हाटएवर. एंड देन द ब्रोकर हु वाज शोइंग मी दिस हाउस स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग विद हिम कि ऐसे कैसे झूठ बोल रहा है, नहीं होता है लीक, ये वो करके. एंड देन द ब्रोकर promptingly promised me that he will fix the roof and give the flat to me. So when I first came into this flat, it was not rainy season, and so it wasn't leaking, and then it started leaking, and then it leaked for 6 fucking months. And now this has started, and I would have guys. So when I first got this flat, this entire like latent situation was happening, and I was not getting flats anywhere. In fact, I went and like saw a flat in a really good building, and the owner was there, and the daughter recognized me, and she told her parents that oh, iske upar to case chal raha hai, ye wo, and then they blacklisted me from the entire fucking building, and so I could just not look for any more flats there. And so it was just like a dark time. And like I pay a premium for this flat as compared to the rest of the building because I have a double balcony and I have sea view. क्या जरूरत है? I have never once gone to that balcony because I'm always just so fucking pissed when I'm in this house. For the first 7 months, my balcony kept leaking, like my terrace kept leaking because मेरी जो ऊपर वाली balcony है उसपे waterproofing नहीं हुई थी, and जो ऊपर वाला owner है वो अपनी चाबी ही नहीं दे रहा था waterproofing कराने के लिए, और मेरा owner कह रहा था हम क्या कर सकते हैं, रहो अब इसके अंदर. And the worst part is also I get it, होता है, सबके घर में कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है, सबके घर में रेनोवेशन होता है. I'm not a fucking princess, okay, everybody goes through this in Bombay. I just went up to like talk to these people who are working in the flat upar, and there is no flat, it's banjar zameen. They are breaking everything and then building it from scratch, and he's like this will go on for the next 10 months. Now the issue is कि मैंने 1 साल का लॉक इन डलवाया था अपने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में, and now according to that lock in I can't leave it for a year, and he has my fucking security, like my owner has my security, my owner who by the way has never once fixed anything in this house has my security, and I want to kill myself.